We need to assemble.
Roller.
Drag the part to the right place. Drag the part to the right place. Drag the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. We did it! Filling.
Roller.
Put the refueling gun in the tank. Pump. You're doing really great.
Let's finish the road.
Tap the screen to keep building. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Drag the grinder over the stain and clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle onto its place. Hooray!